Not all coughs are bad. Some coughs are good. But we have to be careful when we are in public with coughs. So we have to follow 3 steps of cough hygiene in public. First step, use your hand or elbow while coughing. If you have a handkerchief, use that while coughing. Use a mask while going to public. Follow these steps and prevent cough-related diseases in public.